ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः। श्री मात्रे नमः। परम पूज्य श्रीमद सद्देव जयशंकराश्रम स्वाम्यांगले दिव्य चरणांक साष्टांग नमन कोरनु तांगले अनुमती घेऊन आता धर्मसभाचं आरंभ जाताच आम्ही सगळे वटू मेळणू प्रारंभ प्रार्थना म्हणूया। दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा
अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्या गुरु परंपरा। श्रुति स्मृति पुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरं। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमव्यक्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। परिज्ञानाश्रम श्री गुरुशंकर परिज्ञानाश्रम शंकर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु सद्यो जात शंकर सद्गुरु। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
आता पादुका पूजन आणि कनकाभिषेक by President Local Sabha, President Standing Committee and Vice President Standing Committee. हे पादुका पूजन जात असताना स्वागत गीत म्हणतात श्री गुरुशक्ती मंडळीचे सदस्य। हे स्वागत गीत रचन केले श्री श्रीनाथ उल्लाल मामाने।
धात्र संवत्सर माघ मास कृष्ण पक्ष पंचमी शुभ दिन। धात्र संवत्सर माघ मास कृष्ण पक्ष पंचमी शुभ दिन। धात्र संवत्सर माघ मास कृष्ण पक्ष पंचमी शुभ दिन। गुरुवासर गुरुपीठ आरोहण गुरुवासर गुरुपीठ आरोहण। स्वाति सलिल चातक प्राशन स्वाति सलिल चातक प्राशन। तिमिर निशांत प्रभात प्रशांत चित्रापुर संस्थान उत्थान। तिमिर निशांत प्रभात प्रशांत चित्रापुर संस्थान उत्थान। आनंद 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 जन कुवर समीर गिरिवर शिष्याग्र गुरुवर संप्राप्त सुधा मोहन कुवर समीर गिरिवर शिष्याग्र गुरुवर संप्राप्त श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान स्वागत स्वीकार स्वप्न साकार रिक्त पीठ निमित्त व्यस्त स्वागत स्वीकार स्वप्न साकार रिक्त पीठ निमित्त व्यस्त चित्रापुर मठ चिंतामुक्त चित्रापुर मठ चिंतामुक्त सर्व सारस्वत जन कृतार्थ सर्व सारस्वत जन कृतार्थ अनंतानंद वंदन अनंतानंत वंदन आनंद 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 श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान चित्रापुर मठ पुनरुत्तेजित सारस्वत जन पुनः जागृत चित्रापुर मठ पुनरुत्तेजित सारस्वत जन पुनः जागृत पुनः स्थापित स्वाभिमान पुनः स्थापित स्वाभिमान सारस्वत जन भाग्य उदय सारस्वत जन भाग्य उदय सारस्वत धन्य रे धन्य सर्व सारस्वत धन्य रे धन्य अनंतानंत वंदन अनंतानंत वंदन आनंद 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 श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान श्री भवानी शंकर श्री भुवनेश्वरी पार्वती सुत श्री शंकराचार्य श्री भवानी शंकर श्री भुवनेश्वरी पार्वती सुत श्री शंकराचार्य अनुग्रहीत 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 परंपरा ही परम पुनीत परंपरा ही परम पुनीत श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम विद्युत विमानन संवित् संपन्न विद्युत विमानन संवित् संपन्न परंपरा मग्न प्रपन्न परंपरा मग्न दुष्मन्तः अनन्तानन्दवन्दन अनन्तानन्दवन्दन आनन्द 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 परिज्ञानाश्रम श्री गुरु शंकर परिज्ञानाश्रम श्रीकर सद्गुरु परिज्ञानाश्रम श्री गुरु शंकर परिज्ञानाश्रम शंकर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु सद्योजात शंकर सद्गुरु आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु सद्योजात शंकर सद्गुरु परंपरा ही परम पावन परंपरा ही परम पावन परंपरा परिपूर्ण परब्रह्म परंपरा परिपूर्ण परब्रह्म परंपरा ही सनात शाश्वत परंपरा ही सनातन शाश्वत सर्व सारस्वत सतत सुरक्षित सर्व सारस्वत सतत सुरक्षित अनंतानंद वंदन अनंतानंद वंदन आनंद 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 श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम श्रीमत् सद्योजात शंकराश्रम पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान पीठारी विराजमान चित्रापुर मठ वट विशाल फल पाळ रसाळ चित्रापुर मठ वट विशाल पान फूल फळ रसाळ यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः करति स्मरण ऋग्वेदोषु करति स्मरण ऋग्वेदोषु चक्षुर्नो देहि चक्षुषे चक्षुर्विखेतनुभ्यः सच्चेदं विचपश्येम अनन्तानन्दवन्दन अनन्तानन्दवन्दन आनन्द 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 नमः पार्वतीपते हर हर महादेव नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 शंकर महादेवा हर हर शंकर महादेवा हर हर शंकर महादेवा हर हर शंकर महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा
पार्वती पतये हर हर
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
हर हर शंकर महादेवा
हर हर महादेवा
हर 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 महादेवा
हर हर महादेवा
हर 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 महादेवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
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 महादेवा सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
नमः पार्वती पते हर महादेव
आता वेलकम एड्रेस by President Bangalore Local Sabha Shri Karnad Rajgopal Mam.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. We have been blessed by Pujya Swamiji's presence here for the Ashtadashaya Guru Pitarohana Mahotsav. 18th. I take pleasure in welcoming you all to this event. It was just some 2.5 months ago that some of us from Bangalore visited Mumbai to attend the Kanakanjali Utsav and to present a Binnapatra to requesting Swamiji, Param Pujya Swamiji, to grace us with his presence in Bangalore during the 18th ordination anniversary. आम्ही हे बिन्नपत्र पूज्य स्वाम्यांगल चरणांत अर्पण केलें. तशीच आमकां कळू लागलें की स्वाम्यांनी हें आमगेले प्रस्ताव स्वीकार केले म्हूण सांगून. And we were all very happy and returned to Bangalore and got down to preparing for this event. आमकां तेन्ना दिसतालें की अड्डेस बेन आसा ती समज टायम आसा म्हूण, but as days began to pass, they passed rapidly, and soon enough the day was upon us. We had the help both in terms of effort and in terms of contribution from the laity of many of our laity, and what you see before you today is a result of this. A special mention, however, needs to be made to the effort of the Prarthana work, who took it upon themselves to beautify the mutt environs. The kandils that you see near the entrance bear witness to this. The children also worked shoulder to shoulder with the yuvas and the seniors in the garden. This year we have also had many new volunteers coming forward to help us in preparing for this event. आज सकाळी आम्ही सामूहिक गायत्री जप केलेलो, तातूंत 25 ब्राह्मणांनी भाग घेतलो. सो हे 25,000 जप केलेले आम्ही बेंगलोरचे तर्फेने, बेंगलोर सभे तर्फेने स्वाम्यांगेल चरणांत अर्पण करतात. Now, if there is any way in which we could make things better, तुम्ही आमकां जरूर कळोवंक म्हूण विनंती आसा, so that आमकां पूज्य स्वाम्यांनी अशी सेवा करूंक अनेक अवसर दिले तावळी. We will be better equipped and will be able to make things more comfortable for you. तुमका परत स्वागत करूं मगल ह्या 2 शब्द हांगाची संपन्न करता. धन्यवाद.
आता संभावना टू वैदिक वृंद आमगले लोकल सभा प्रेसिडेंट राजगोपाल मामू परम पूज्य स्वाम्यांगले आशीर्वाद घेवन हे संभावना वितरणाचे व्यवस्था मागीर करता. आता क्षमा याचना बाय जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी बैंगलोर लोकल सभा श्रीमती स्मिता बालजेकर.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. श्री मात्रे नमः. परम पूज्य स्वाम्यांगल अष्टादशीय गुरुपीठारोहण महोत्सव विजृंभणेने बेंगलुरांत करूक आमकां अवकाश मेळ्ळो. परम पूज्य स्वाम्यांनी हो सुवर्ण अवकाश आमकां साधकांक दिलेल्याक आमकां मस्त खुशी जाता. भक्ति ने देवी अनुष्ठान, सामूहिक कुंकुमार्चन, संक्षिप्त संध्या वंदन, सामूहिक गुरुपूजन, सामूहिक गायत्री जपू आम्ही गुरुचरणी अर्पण केले. सुधा तिनयकर पाची गले, अर्चना सवनाळ पाची गले आणि धर्मप्रचारक राजगोपाल भटमामा गले विविध उपन्यासाने आमगले मन प्रफुल्लित झाले. विमर्श, श्रीमद् भगवद्गीता क्विज, वदत संस्कृतम कार्यक्रमांतू आमकां मस्त गमत आयली. शास्त्रीय संगीत मिहिका बोलंगडी गले गोमटे जाले. तुमकां प्रार्थना आनी गिरवाण प्रतिश्ठाचे कार्यक्रम गोमटे दिसले नवे. युवधाराचे आनंद मिलांतू 50 युवाजांनी भाग घेवन कार्यक्रम गमतीदार केलो. मुख्य म्हळ्यार आमकां पूज्य स्वाम्यांगलो स्वाध्याय आयकून देवी पूजन, शिवपूजन पळोवन आमी धन्य जाली. पूज्य स्वाम्यांगले अनुग्रहाने सगळो कार्यक्रम गोमटे जाले. गुरूंगले वास्तव्यांतू खंयचे नमुनाची त्रुटी जालेली आसल्यारी स्वाम्यांनी आमकां क्षम कोरका. परमपूज्य स्वाम्यांनी बेंगलूर मठांतू तातावळ येवन आमकां सेवेचो अवकाश दिवंक म्हणून सभे तर्फेने हांव प्रार्थना करता.
आता address by the President Standing Committee Shri Vinod Yanamide.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. This Ashtadashiya Guru Pitharohana Mahotsav, hosted by Bangalore Sabha, was extremely well organized. Rajgopal Mam, and I think the compliment goes to you and your team here in Bangalore. I have been witnessing right from the day one, when Swamiji came here on the second night actually, but the program started on 3rd. And the participation of Prarthana Varga children, Yuvas, and seniors with equal enthusiasm really contributed a tremendous enthusiasm among all of us. And Rajgopal Mam said this, within 2.5 months he managed to organize. I think it was a wonderful organization you people have done. Since Swamiji has come over as a Mathadipati of Sri Chitrapur Mutt in 1997, he has taken basically 4 initiatives, as you are well aware, which has spiritually charged the entire community, resulting in a huge, unprecedented bonding between Chitrapur's Saraswat families, which I'm sure you're witnessing at every camp Swamiji visits. The first of it, which I put on the front line, Swamiji's initiative was his introduction of participative pujans. I see at every camp, in every pujan, more and more number of devotees come, participate, and really enjoy that spiritual bliss and the religious bliss. Second one is starting the Prarthana Varga, giving the young ones the Guru's charishma with love and affection, which has brought them into the fold of serious laity. I have seen myself how these young toddlers get absolutely charged when Prarthana Varga organizes any program which is to be conducted in front of Swamiji. It's unbelievable what sort of hyperactive they become, and the performance that was done here in front of Swamiji, I think was a masterpiece. I think very well done by all the children, and I think Swamiji has, of course, appreciated, but we as a laity also, we should be very proud of what our youngsters are doing these days. And I have seen them between 8 and 7 and 8 doing a full Guru Pujans they have done in other camps. So I think it's a tremendous contribution, and this is all done because of the Swamiji's that charishma of welcoming this, encouraging these youngsters. And that one Kit Kat makes a lot of difference. Swamiji. Third one is bringing the Yuvas together. I think this is another visionary introduction of this Yuvadhara created by Swamiji over the last few years, I think from 2002. And I think it has yielded the huge results. You have seen yesterday these Yuvas whom I had not seen earlier at all, many of them, but they were there. And ek stall aa rahi, ek namune enthusiasm tangil products konalali. It was very sweet of Swamiji that he stopped at every counter and appreciate the efforts that are made by the Yuvas. See, this is the beauty, that this is what bonds them together, bring them closer to Swamiji, bring them closer to attaining their spiritual bliss. And I think this is what we have to do, continue to do it, because they are the ones who are going to take over from us in course of time. So I think this is the third initiative which Swamiji has done, which has yielded stupendous results to our entire community, for which we will always be grateful to Swamiji. The fourth one is Swamiji always give patient hearing to any senior who wants to meet Swamiji, or during Tirtha also, they pose some queries or need some guidance. Swamiji is always there to each one of them. I don't think he has ever said no to anyone, as of now, as far as I know. And I think this is these are all culmination of these 4 initiatives which Swamiji has taken over the last 18 years. I think it's unprecedented, this bonding which has taken place, for which we are utterly grateful to Swamiji forever. With these 4 initiatives, one can see that at every camp, we have a record number of devotees come to take blessings from Swamiji. And Bangalore is not an exception this time. Swamiji has not only guided us to attain the spiritual bliss through his continuous swadhyayas, paramarsh, meditations, ashirvachans, and of course those wonderful melodious bhajans. But it is also with the love and care that he cares for the entire society in general, which has brought prosperity to the hundreds of below poverty line families on a sustainable basis through Parimochana project. I think most of you are aware of what that Parimochana project is. Today we are hearing these political parties talking about women empowerment, which was a theme for the Republic Day this year. Our Swamiji introduced women empowerment 10 years back in Shirali, in the form of Samvit Sudha, Parimochana project, handmade paper project, and some more are on the wheel as we go forward. Over 1,100 families have been aided, and the number is only growing every year. Thus, the Swamiji's vision and the empathy for poor section of the society started with a school for poor children with absolute free education, as you are all well aware, Srivali School in Shirali. Financial independence given to the young girls as well as the women of Shirali and surrounding 15 villages. I'm sure many of you must have come and seen this prosperity, but those who are not, I would request them to come and have a visit to each of these projects, and then you will see how the Swamiji's charisma is working even in those villages in and around Shirali. The spiritual messages, his melodious bhajans, his ashirvachans, have attracted all the Saraswats, not just the Chitrapur Saraswats. And you are aware that all these other Saraswats are continuously sending us their invitations to Swamiji to visit their campuses, societies, and even the temples. This is again is an incredible bondage even that is coming even outside the Chitrapur Saraswat community, but Saraswats. Swamiji has over the years rejuvenated the entire administration. He not only did the surrounding people good for their own life, he also saw to it that we work within the right parameters and we deliver the goods. Through this rejuvenation of the entire administration within the mutt, he has done it by inducting various professionals having expertise in finance, information technology, infrastructure, human relations, and so on and so forth. With Swamiji's passion for perfection seen in each of these fields, have made these professionals to lend their expertise to the mutt administration in their seva. A unique commitment from professionals we are getting in every field, which helps us to manage the day-to-day administration of the mutt. And this is again with the continuous blessings and guidance from Swamiji, believe me, practically on a day-to-day basis. Bangalore, I am very pleased to announce, has the lion's share in this Seva offering. Namely, listen. Namely, in IT section, Rajgopal Mam, Karnad. I think he has been helping us to improvise the system, get the best at the shortest time with the technology expertise that he's been offering us. Dilip Mavin Purimam has come on board in the last few months, and on a daily basis he has been helping us to look into the areas which requires a little bit of more in-depth study. Manju Jamalabad, Pachi. Accounts, centralized accounting that we have, she is doing her great efforts to ensure that we, the members of the finance committee, get regular inputs on a monthly basis, which we can then produce to Swamiji on a monthly basis. Chitra Saletur Pachi, HR. See, you have seen these names, they're all stalwarts in their own professional fields, but they managed to spare some time to look into our administration. This is all with the Swamiji's grace, and just one word and they're all there, all the time. I think it's a tremendous contribution Bangalore residents have done towards the administration of the Mutt, for which I'm personally grateful to each one of them. I'm sorry, I missed the name of Asha Avasti Pachi. She's also part of the HR team, and so on. Now, I'm sure each one of you will join me in our prayers to Lord Bhavani Shankar and our Guru Parampara to give our Swamiji a long, healthy, happy and peaceful life to continue as a Mathadipati of our sacred Math for many, many, many years to come. And continue to give all of us the spiritual leadership for leading a peaceful, happy and contented life for all of us. I think that blessings is required from Swamiji to each one of us. With the same prayer, as was mentioned earlier, with the same prayer, only we perform the Navchandika home in the morning, for which many of you participated. Once again, I thank Bangalore Sabha members for hosting this wonderful program on the occasion of the 18th Vardhanti of the Pattabhishek of our Swamiji. Rajgopal Mam says he took 2.5 months to get this program organized. Having seen this enthusiastic participation of devotees in all the age groups, I made a request to Swamiji, and he had acceded to my request to celebrate the 100th year of the Pattabhishek of Srimad Anandashram Swamiji in Bangalore. On Vaishak Krishna Ashtami, which falls on 11th of May 2015. Rajgopal Mam, you got 3 months and 2 days. Okay? So I'm sure the enthusiasm which we'll see at the next camp of Swamiji here will be much more than what we have seen, having put in the 2.5 months inputs. I will coordinate with Rajgopal Mam to work out a befitting program for about 4 to 5 day camp of Swamiji during that period. Having given all this to you, Bangaloreans, I now expect you to come in large numbers to Karla on the 1st of March and at the Rathotsav in Shirali on 4th of April. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you.
आता तुमगल सर्वांगल तर्फेने परम पूज्य स्वामीरांगी तंगले अमूल्य आशीर्वचन लाभ आमक प्राप्त करून देऊ का म्हणून मागून घेत.